Hey traders, how's it going? Hopefully you guys having a great day today, as best as can be given today's market activity. Hopefully you guys made it out alive. We're able to scrape out something on the day, or we're able to sit tight and learn. Right, today was a great day for learning. There's a lot of activity to take in today to the markets. There's a lot of lessons today, right? Those of you who are newer to the markets, and by newer, I mean under 3 years, yes, you are still new. Under 3 years in market, you have no experience, or little experience, I should say, right? Takes time to develop at this. So notice how today played out. Take these key lessons in. This is a lot of people's first real bear market that's going to continue on for some time, right? So now, as far as the Apex challenge goes today was a wild day for us Apex traders here that we're looking to gain the funded account. We are currently doing a challenge, proving our J9 systems that we offer to our members. We use it for the SPY analysis, stock market analysis, ES mini. So we figured to do over the Easter weekend was a sale that Apex was running. We went ahead and signed up for one of them just to do a proof of concept for the J9 services. Anybody not risking your own capital, you can just go ahead and do a funded account. Funded accounts are easy cost of entry and not much barrier to get in. This is a positive if you have the right tools, the right education in your corner. These markets are not easy, guys. Don't feel bad if you had a bad day today. Take the lessons away from it. Okay? This is how you learn, this is how you grow. We've all been there. I've had my face kicked in plenty of times. Right here at the four of us, we have all had that. All my mentors who teach us, everybody has had it, right? You just need to go ahead and work through it and be better next time, because there will be a next time. We will see more and more of this, both here soon, as and well in the future as well. So if that makes sense. So maybe you guys are still around in the markets 5, 10 years from now. You'll still be here, still doing the same thing. So gain the experience today. If you had a rough day, gain the experience, gain all the little tidbits of knowledge that you can, right? Learn and progress. Today was a great day for that. And let's go ahead and review how we did today. Today was actually a pretty wild day for us. There was a lot of activity. We ended up deep in the red on the Apex account. So if you saw the past two Apex videos, you notice we've been green. Today, no, we ended up on the day green, but we had to get our chops chewed up a bit first. It was a rough start. Not only did we not expect such a large move today, we were looking more so for kind of a trap. So go through and review the previous analysis. It gave the analysis on the day that we give to our members, told us exactly where the market was going to go today. Fortunately for us, due to the APEC challenge, we didn't really follow that. We followed more so the indicators built for the Apex challenge and built for uh, shorter term manual trading. So it was a bit of a rougher day. A good thing we came out on top. Nice good green day for $4,400. Yes, that's $4,400 on the Apex account. But we had to go deep red first. So let's go ahead and review it. We'll talk about all the charts, talk about all the analysis, and see how today went. All right, here goes today's day. So starting off the day was up here, so right at 7:30 in the morning. This candle right here. Go ahead and make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Here's starting of the day. Now notice where the market went, where the cycles were today. Like I said, go back and review the day's analysis video. We go over all the details on how today played out and what we were looking for. Were we expecting such a large move lower? No, definitely not. Otherwise, we would have capitalized on this move. Some days we can anticipate this and expect this, and we're able to capitalize on it. Today we did not. So we were not able to catch this whole move. We were looking more so for the pops on our normal day-to-day trading. Normal day-to-day trading, we have this algorithm here, as you see, right? It's pulling up the indicators and the best spots for opportunity of a trade. But now, so as far as the trade, we have the analysis. Go back and review that video. You'll see that we started to break down here. We thought, okay, we started to talk about it in chat room to our members. Said, okay, this is the initial break. This is just going to be a test of the level, which in this case on the E-mini, this is what the Apex challenge is for, the E-mini, but on the SPY was 44762, but on the E-mini was 448025. Now right here we have our first yellow bar. Disregard the long and short signals. That's not what we traded today on the long and short. If you know, we're on Apex, so we'll go ahead and pull up the Apex chart right here. Oh, wrong one. So that's the Apex chart. So we'll go ahead and keep on reviewing that. Let me move my face out the way. There we go. Now back to the chart. What we had here was first yellow bar. Now notice that not on cycle, right? We've just been talking about the cycles in these videos all week. Here goes one cycle. So think of it like connect the dots, right? This is one. That would be one, right? Comes up. This would be two, like so. And notice there's no three, right? This is now broken. You get some chop, you get all this nonsense. Nothing here. These little tiny baby greens are not a full cycle. Okay, let's go ahead and review that. Now putting it back here. So here was that first yellow bar, right? Now we have a fail. Okay, this is what we look for, right? Now, as soon as we start to see this fail, typically what we're going to see is a move like this. This is what we were looking for. First yellow bar, second yellow bar, and pop, right? Just like we've been demonstrating to you guys all week long. First yellow bar, right here. In this case, first yellow bar, second yellow bar, pop. And the one from the day prior was this day here was a great trade. Same thing. First yellow bar, second yellow bar is right there. It's tiny, but second yellow bar, great pop. So this is repeatedly the way we have our algorithms and our scripts. First yellow bar, second yellow bar, cycle. Check out the RSI here, pop. Now that's what we initially were looking for. We were not looking for such a downturn today. What a massive downturn we had. So right here. No, that's not today. Oh, this is today. A little bit higher. Right here. First yellow bar. Talking to the members. Okay, take it easy. Wait. Wait till you see that yellow bar. We started to actually anticipate this. We were looking for a larger move. Again, we're pushing a bit on this Apex account to try to demolish it here quick. Why? Because it makes for good YouTube content. That's pretty much the only reason why. Our normal trading, right, in our funds and private accounts that we do, we wait for a yellow bar, which we did today as well. Also a red trade there. So we'll discuss that as well. But for the Apex account, Apex challenge, trying to get some big numbers here for you guys. I know you guys on YouTube like big numbers. So first yellow bar, we started to anticipate here when we saw it beginning to form, right? And we told the members, all right, this is going to be a riskier part of the trade. You guys will go ahead and wait for the yellow bar. So we got the first piece here, first leg, about 5 contracts. Got the second leg as we were dipping down, expecting to get a rip up like we did here, right here on this bar. Expecting that to happen right around here, so we wanted to anticipate to build a bigger position. Thought process being that we would grab 5 on that dip, grab 5. We'd be in 10 with the cost average right around 44.70 or so, and then we'd be able to scale up to 30 contracts or so right around in here for the leg up push. That was the game plan today, at least. And typically how normal things would play out, but the sell pressure today was just ridiculous. Today is an abnormal day, so if you got crushed, if you blew up accounts, if you made mistakes, do not beat yourself up. You do not see this type of action every single day. These days are meant to kill traders. These days are meant to demolish accounts. Okay? Do not beat yourself up. Come back at it stronger, better, and with more what's the word I'm looking for? More experience, right? You're not going to make the same mistakes twice. More than likely, you didn't make any major mistakes today. It was just the market, right? Today was one of those days where you're just going to get hurt. It's just part of the game. We did as well. We've been around now for over 50 years, and this is nothing new, right? You're going to see days like this, and this is how you recover on days like this, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate that. So we got hurt here in this trade. We're down about 2K in the account. So if you've been following the Apex challenge, we know we've been having, I think it was the first day was like 900, second day was like 800. So that was gone here. We waited, said, okay, something's up. We'll go ahead and wait for a yellow bar. Yellow bar finally comes in here. This is about 15 minutes later or so. Boom. Okay, we hit this thinking at the time, thinking like, okay, here's our 2 yellow bar play. We'll go ahead and push up, look for a cycle. Notice here, so for those of you that are looking to learn, right, this is an active yellow bar. Yes, that is okay. Those of you in the community, those of you who are going to join, who are interested in joining, who are just looking to learn, just watching YouTube around the community to learn from various different YouTube channels, pay attention to the RSI here. Sign up for the scripts. Sign up for all of our custom algorithms. You don't have to be part of the analysis service if you don't want. But notice that no cycle took place. Again, if you didn't catch this, do not beat yourself up. Okay? Notice here, like we discussed earlier, there's no second leg here, right? You don't want to see these little baby greens. Okay? All that is nonsense. So that is what occurred here. We were looking for that to come into full cycle. It did not. Let's go ahead and take all those lines off. So when that did not, we knew we were in trouble. We're like, oh no, we're about to get hit on this. So let's go ahead and manage it as best we possibly can. So right here on this yellow bar, we got initially in with 5, added, got up to 15 pretty quickly, and then on this bar ended up hitting the stop. So we had the stop at the exit price, which we use our own custom indicator here. So it usually looks like this. Set up, we were long at the time, set up on bar 22602. So I put 22602, oops, 22602. There we go. So right there, we're up to 15 contracts and hits our stop. Bang, bang out of the trade. Now we're down on the account. Again, this is the Apex funded account. We got hit pretty good on this one. So we were right on this about just over 6K at the worst. Again, not expecting this kind of move today. So went ahead and sat tight after that. No, at this point, I think we were at 4K. Did we try this one? Take a look at the orders. Not sure if we tried this one or not. No. Okay, so it was here. So yeah, we were just about 6K. So horrible day as far as from a risk management point, but we made it clear to the members. We're gonna push hard, we're gonna go heavy. Like I said, for the purpose was trying to get a bigger YouTube content and demonstrate how this stuff works. Now, here's where the lessons come in. Okay, bad trade, market's going heavy. Here, people are getting crushed, not expecting it. Now, here's where the holders come in, right? Everyone who got caught in this mess is holding. Majority of the market is holding, thinking, oh, it's got to bounce here. Oh, it's got to bounce here. Oh, it's got to bounce here. And then the more they hold, the more they pile in. Today was the type of day that blows up accounts because people average down. Okay, so now what we did is we went ahead and waited. Now we have automated trading systems as well. So right here, we were waiting, walked away, went to lunch, right? Pull up the automated system. This is an automated trading bot. This does all the trading for us and for some of our members. So what you see here, this bot took the trade, one solid green trade, even in a downtrending market. Notice the accuracy of this stuff, right? Took the trade, nice, good, beautiful green trade. Once we saw that happening, that the bot was taking a trade, came back, reviewed, followed along with the bot on this chart right here. Followed along with the bot, was able to eke out a nice gain here. So got up to like 15, 20 contracts, I believe it was here. So at this point, I think we made like $3,000 or something like this, $4,000, 3 or 4K, something like this. So we were almost back to green on the day, catching this move. And we sat tight again, started to notice here, again, the bot caught another trade, right? This is why we have so many systems in place, okay? So now, right here, bot started to catch another trade. Just amazing to watch this stuff work. Saw that, all right. Now again, these are all automated, so this is the one that's manual trading. So this one here, we went ahead, followed along with our bot in our systems and followed it just like a bot, right? Robotic systems, robotic trading. Followed it, got up to heavy size here, got up to like 30 contracts here. Up in here, we saw that we were okay. We were holding a level right there, right? We don't share that on YouTube, but that is on here. Those of you that know what that means, it's in HL2. Now what we have here is a yellow bar. We went ahead and set up the trailing. So yellow bar is 22,674, just like so. 22,674 long, and there goes the trailing. Beautifully set up, break even. Made it out, the rest break even, but we were taking profits here. 5 points all the way up to 10 points. Ended up eking out the rest of it just up here, right? Great trade. Now, at this point, we're flat. We're just flat. We're right a few $100 after this trade, after being down to 6K. And then we saw this happening, right? This is right around that SPY 44174. You don't know what that SPY 44174 is? Go check out the analysis video. Go in deep dive about that one and how that played out today. We saw that breaking, and that was not holding. That spot really should have held. When we saw that that was not holding, we said, okay, let's go ahead and hit this baby short. So then we flipped short using the highest high pivot here, 22,684. 22,684. Now check out this wonderful move here, right? Nice, easy trailing move. Came all the way down to the lower level of where 43.8025, which this level here is massive, right? This is the equivalent of SPY 43571. Again, go check out that analysis video so you can find out more. But even then, check out the yellow bar. Yellow bar gave you a nice move. Easy trades, guys. You just set up on the yellow bar. Yeah, we had a rough start to the day. Okay, here goes the first bar. You do no actions. You wait for a cycle. No action. Second bar, no cycle came in. Failed trade. Okay, that was difficult read there. In hindsight, could have waited for a more fuller cycle, but we were expecting a dip, get that cycle, come back out. So actual fruition of a cycle did not come in until these two trades. Right? Notice the difference between here, and especially here. Now here is a full. Right here. That's a good one. Now notice how that pop came in. Okay, same thing we've been discussing all week if you watch these videos. So we ended up catching that short, hammered that thing nice and good, and we were able to recover on the day. So from a 6K red, let's see, and that was the only 2 bot trades. So our bots caught 2 trades today. And as far as the manual Apex trading, this was from 6K, just I think it was like 64, 6,500, I think it was, can't remember, 63, 64, 6,500 red, something like that. And then between this trade, and then the short, we ended up clearing out. Let's see, go ahead and pull that up. Upper screen. There you go. So 4,400 green on the day. Not too shabby. Oh, there we go. This one here. So remove my face on that one. You can see all of the Christmas tree that was right in that long setup that I showed you. The one that made us green. That was that one there. Now, let's go back to the other chart here so I can show you guys. There we go. Now here you go. That was right in this part here, this portion. So, overall, great trading day. Glad to come out green on such a dangerous day. A lot of lessons. Even us here as professionals, we ended up red today. Red larger, normal than usual, normal than what would be typically expected. But there's always ways to recover, either by sitting tight, not trading on that day. Just, again, walk away with the key lessons from today. And most importantly, do not let today beat you up. Do not let today change your strategy, change what you do, change how you trade. Okay, today was an abnormal day in the markets. These are by design to crush traders, cause liquidity. This leaks out volatility out of the market and kind of like taking air out of a balloon, right? So a lot of accounts got blown up today. A lot of accounts made mistakes today. It's okay. Go ahead, recover. Go ahead and learn from your lessons and come back better tomorrow. So other than that, that's all we have for you guys tonight. Hope you enjoyed the content. Be sure to like the video. Ask about the J9 services. We have, like I said, we have that bot does the automated trading. We have all of our scripts. You can see the trailing. Now we have 3 days of this, right? Now you see some of the long trades. You saw yesterday's trades, how they worked out. Yesterday's short up here. Yesterday's the 2-bar yellow. So Great trades. It's been a great week for us in the community, for us here at J9. So what are you waiting for? Stop watching these videos. Come join us. Be a part of the community. Be a part of the scripts. Be a part of the bots. Whatever you're looking for, go ahead, ask in the comment section. Join us. Website will be up in the bio. Other than that, see you guys in tomorrow's video. Later, guys.